Hello, welcome to Life Stationaries. My name is Kylee. I'm your host. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these. This is just a little, can you see that? Hello, camera. Okay. Apparently I'll have to read it to you. Because, maybe if I not play with the light. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now you guys can see what it says. Do not copy this because this is for Life Stationaries and I am Kylee Rose. But you can mock it into your own, change some words, whatnot, whatever. I put these into my books. I have my roses down here. I just really like it. So that is that. I was gonna try to turn this into a pocket. So it's like, oh, that'd be neat if you could just fold that up and it makes a pocket already. But it doesn't look like it's gonna. What in the world? That'll take some thought. Some thinking. Man, you are close. Close and personal. Okay. Here is my thought to this one. There is my pocket. Did you see that? Let's try and do it again. Okay, let's find another one. These are out of a book. I showed the book a couple of things ago. It's too big. That's too beautiful. Here's another shoe, and there's a purse. Should we do the shoe? Are we going to do the shoe? I believe we're going to do the shoe. Here we go, shoe. Okay. How could I use the gifts God gives me to inspire others? That's what we're going with. You see this line up here? That's what we're going to be working off of. Okay. So we take this paper and we want this picture, but we want this picture to be at the top. We want a pocket. Instead of taking the paper, let's see. So there's ours at the top. We take the bottom, we fold it up to the bottom of our picture. And there's our pocket. Okay. So this one, we're going to take our picture from down here and put it up here, making our pocket. So this is the line we're going to fold first. So you take your paper, picture goes in the front, the paper goes in the back, okay? So then use that line, or make your own line if you don't have a line, and crease it. Crease it good. Don't do that. I'm awful when it comes to creasing paper straight. There we go. I'll make it look straight. Okay, so then now we have our paper from up here behind. Now this paper is going to go under our shoe to that line. And you crease giving you your pocket. And all you got to do is cut this side off for it to fit in your book. So there's two different things that we can do with these, okay? So we have our blue shoe and our purple shoe, right? Or is that green? Might be green. I don't see colors very well. We have this one and this one. So you could take a piece of paper that you don't mind using as scrap paper. You take it, you flip open your bottom, do like this. This is under your shoe, okay? So you take that and your glue stick, sorry that the paper's so shiny, just right here at the bottom, I'm gonna go like this. Okay, see my glue? You see my glue? And you put it down like this, okay? And then you take the side of wherever your paper is going to be. Do this after you cut it. And this one, okay? So both sides, that's all you're doing. And take it, go up, okay? So we have a pocket here, and then ooh, that went way behind. It's like, wow, that one kind of smooth. I was gonna say this paper should be almost too big. No, and it's not very strong because it's wallpaper. But you have room in here. You can slide a piece of paper in, or you can hang it in the book like this. So you can either have your hidden papers or your thing to hold it up in your book. Okay. And then this one, you can do it a different way. Okay, there's your shoe right here. We flipped it up. We're doing a strip, however big or skinny you may want it on both sides, okay? And then you push it down. I even have ink on me. There you go. Okay. So it's in your book like this. Where'd that go? It's in your book like this. Over time, it'll, really stay shut. And then somebody will find out that it's another hidden pocket. So let's see if we turn it. Is it longer one way than the other? Oh, really? So go like that, and you'll be hidden in there. The other way is you glue this down, you glue these two sides on, and it's just a pocket. That is all I was going to show you guys for today. How to take a picture at the bottom of your page and make it into a pocket in the picture at the top of your page. I hope this helped you, and I hope you enjoyed this. And I'm Kylie with Life Stationaries. Have a good one.